Very good morning to all the children of class plus 2C. So today after exam, your first class, and we are going to discuss question papers of PT2, periodic test 2. Let me tell you, you people have been taking English very casually, and the questions are not that easy, which you think it to be. The sample paper issued by CBSE was also quite tough enough. The ones who have tried to solve, they already know. And there are many children who never attended class or were just there for the sake of attendance. They were not listening to the teacher. So still students are joining. So let's start for what I'm going to do. I'm going to discuss firstly literature of both the sets so that all the students listen to me carefully. But beta doesn't mean that if your set was A or B, any question can come in term 1 of board also. You know that you're going to appear in the month of November. Board, fine, board exams will be there. That we will discuss later on about pre-boards and all, but I'm telling you terms exam from the boards side. They are in November, term 1 exam. So this is just the practice. You can say PT2 is your practice or base of that. So we will be revising the whole syllabus of term 1 again, clear, or the new chapters which were left that we will be completing. Tomorrow you all will bring the book. We will start the chapter 3rd level, okay, tomorrow onwards. If we have the period, I guess we have first 3 days. So let's continue. Set A, literature part. Section C, question number 25 onwards, beta. Okay, am I audible to all online children? And felt that old familiar ache, my mother at 66. So there is a stanza from my mother at 66. But all I said was, see you soon, Amma. And all I did was smile and smile and smile. What does familiar refer to? The answer is same feeling of sadness poet felt when she was a child. Option D is the correct answer. Fine. So you keep on writing, noting down. Then we have, what does repetition of smile indicate? Again, its answer is option D, poet's efforts to hide her fears. So when somebody is so helpless, that person starts smiling. In that way, we've already discussed in the class, fine? Then we have question number 27. Beta, those who have joined now recently, we are discussing set A, and I have started from literature part, section C, literature, okay, set A. After this, I will discuss literature of set B. But everybody will listen to all the questions, okay? When did the poet feel this pain? Earlier also. On the way to Cochin airport. This is the correct answer, option C, okay? This familiar pain, which was her childhood fear also, to lose her mother, and she was growing older and older. And when you remember, when she looked at her mother's face, she was dozing and looking like a corpse, and she was gripped with fear, and she started looking outside. So, zaruri nahi hai ki answer should be there written in the stanza only. It is contextual. It is understood that she was gripped with the feeling of fear when on the way to Cochin airport is the correct answer. Okay, keep marking beta, set A wale bacche, and set B, keep on listening. What is true about the universality of the theme of the poem? Now, what does the question mean firstly? Universality of the theme means they have given 4 themes to us. Fine. Out of these 4 themes, which theme is applicable universally? Fine, at global level. Death is inevitable. Aging and death are undeniable. Resignation and acceptance are the key to contented life. Death is a reality, so it should not be a matter of fear. So in this, correct answer is C. I told you there will be options. All seem to be an answer. In this question, sare correct hai. Fine, but you have to apply your brains and you have to choose what the poet wants to convey out of this poem, My Mother at 66. You remember, even though she was having the feeling of fear of losing the mother, but even then she goes She does not stay. Fine. Resignation and acceptance. She accepted. She smiled. She accepted the situation and she went away. She did not stay with her mother. Usko pata ki we have to, the feeling of resignation and accept. We should accept whatever is there in our life. So this is the correct answer. Only C is corrected mark. Okay, Samyak, option C. Then we have beta, next extract is there from deep water. I'm going to read the extract. It had happened when I was 10 or 11-year-old. I had decided to learn to swim. There was a pool at the YMCA in Yakima that offered exactly the opportunity. The Yakima River was treacherous. Mother continually warned against it and kept fresh in my mind the details of each drowning in the river, but YMCA pool was safe. This was the extract. First question is, what does it refer to? It refers to, beta, the decision to learn to swim. Option C. Fine. It had happened when I was 10 or 11 years old. So he decided firstly. Now, many children, they wrote that coach at the swimming pool, they wrote joining a swimming club, going to hiring a swimming coach. First option was nowhere to be there. Fine. 3 options, you were getting confusion. So option C, 29th C. 30th, whom does I refer to? Obviously, I refers to the narrator himself. This is very easy. Why is Yakima River referred to as treacherous? Now, several drownings took place in it. In the beginning of the chapter, mother has warned already. If you have read the chapter thoroughly, fine. Option B, 31, option B. 32, why was YMCA pool safe? Yes, anybody knows? It was only 2 to 3 feet deep. Option C. 32, option C is the correct answer. Now, next extract is last spring. There were many storms that swept away their fields and homes. His mother tells him that's why they left, looking for gold in the big city where he now lives. Name the writer of the lesson from which the above extract. ये तो सबको पता होना चाहिए था. अभी याद है किसी को? If you remember, see, it means we are so casual, papers are over, we should forget it. Because narrator was present in the chapter as a character, Annie's June. Fine. Narrator was present in the chapter. Then option D is the correct answer. 33, option D. Okay. 35, was their leaving home a right decision? If yes, why? In question number 35 now, not a single child came to me that, ma'am, there is some problem. Only one girl, I guess, Anushka, if you can, if she's there. Anushka is there, yes. Anushka came to me. She was the only girl who realized that there is some problem in this question. Otherwise, we are so intelligent, we did not realize the mistake even. So you got benefit of doubt here. In this, whatever option you have marked, you will be getting advantage of that. Okay. Set A, question number 35, A, B, C, D, all. Because there was some problem in the question or statement itself. Was their living home a right decision? If yes, why? Question is correct. There were statements, beta. They could have rehabilitated in their hometown. They might have settled in their hometown with hard work and government intervention. They were hopeful about getting all facilities at new place. One should never leave motherland. Fine. So the options which were given to you, they were not clear. And the reason is also not mentioned in the chapter. Clear? So that's why we gave the advantage. So any option, if you have corrected, you will be getting marks, benefit of doubt. 36th. What figure of speech has been used in looking for gold now? This also many students marked wrong. Options were metaphor, personification, hyperbole, exaggeration. You know metaphor when we make comparison. Fine. You know personification when human qualities are given. Both are not applicable here. यहाँ से clear हो गया. You people were confused between hyperbole and exaggeration. Now what is exaggeration? किसी चीज को बढ़ा चढ़ा के बोलना. And hyperbole is a poetic device of exaggerating the things. और आपसे पूछा गया है which poetic device is used, which figure of speech is. Hyperbole is a figure of speech. Exaggeration is not. Exaggeration is meaning of hyperbole. Clear? So this is to confuse you. This you could not handle. ये mostly बच्चों का wrong हुआ है. So option C, 36 is the correct answer. I'm telling you children, those who have joined later on, we are discussing literature of set A, fine. And then we will discuss literature of set B. And then writing skills of AB and then comprehension at the last. But the problem is that on the PTM day, that is tomorrow, do not come what is the answer of this and that. That's why we are discussing with you. Clear? Read the stanza and choose the correct option. Now, next is from Keeping Quiet Beta, Fisherman in the Cold Sea wala stanza jo hai. You can open your book also. I'm not going to read because there are 10-12 lines written. First question number 37 is, what is suggested by fishermen would not harm the whales? Very easy it was. The people will not destroy wild animals and nature. They will get time and they will not harm the nature. That was the answer. So option B. Okay. 38. What do you understand by the man gathering salt would look at his hurt hand? Option A. People will have time for their personal well-being. Apna bhi dhyan rakh paenge wo. This is the correct answer. Okay. 38th ka A. These are very easy questions. So there are in between questions which are very easy, but some students did not attempt even that properly. 39th question. Explain green wars. Now there again you got confused. You know that they have mentioned war with guesses, green wars. Green wars means when war will be there, it will definitely going to affect our greenery. Deforestation will take place. A lot of plants and trees will get harmed into it. Clear? So now the options were various wear green clothes, ye to discard ho gaya. They hold green flags, ye bhi discard ho gaya. Some people marked afforestation. How can war lead to afforestation? I don't know. Deforestation is the answer. Because meaning nahi pata hai. The problem is that we do not know the meanings. You have to improve your vocabulary, beta. Question number 40th, 39th ka C hai. Marked it. Aapka set kaun sa tha, beta? B hai. Aapka dono ka A. Fine. So then 40th, how can brotherhood be restored according to the poet? By changing mindset and perspective towards life. Option C. 41, who is the poet of an elementary? Everybody knows, Stephen Spender. Option B. 41 का B. 42, अब यहाँ पे आप आके ये नहीं कह सकते मैम उसको इतने मार्क्स दिए मुझे इतने क्यों दिए. This is very good thing about the MCQs. So now the most awaited student Anshul, which is entering now when we are about to end. Why did M. Hamel lean his head against the wall? He was emotionally broken. This is very clear-cut answer, and it was there in both the sets, I guess. 43rd, what does the expression rat's eyes indicate? 43rd ka A answer hai, hunger and greed gleaming through eyes. Where is Sukhman Jyot is present today? Yes, Sukhman Jyot, keep on performing your duty as you used to do earlier, okay? You will be marking. Send me the feedback, okay, those who are present. What does it that surprised France the most? 44th question. What was it that surprised the most? He was surprised by seeing M. Hamel in different dress. He was surprised by seeing the backbenchers, villagers sitting. He was surprised that there was no commotion. But the most surprising thing was villagers sitting at the back desk. इसमें कोई wrong नहीं है option. The most accurate is the option B. The village elders sitting on the last benches. बहुत ध्यान से chapter पढ़ने पड़ेंगे आपको. 45th, pick the right meaning of slyly. Slyly means cunningly. Option B. What does the phrase "a key to the prison" imply? One's native language. Fine. ये भी गलत किया है बहुत सारे बच्चों ने. Next is from elementary school classroom in a slum. 47th question, the dark and dim classroom signifies education is just a myth in slum. Option A. इसमें बहुत सारे बच्चों ने बी लगा दिया है, फॉर्मेलिटी वाला भी क्योंकि करेक्ट लगता है, but it is not because it is a myth only. Fine, for the sake of doing there is education, but there is no education taking place. 48th क्वेश्चन बेटा, आपको जो ऑप्शंस कटवा दी गई थी ऊपर से वो गलती से प्रिंट हो गया था क्वेश्चन पेपर में. The answer is a boy at the back row, option B. 49th, what has the learner got in his eyes? Dreams, option A. 50th, what does other than this refer to? Other than this, classroom. 50th is A. Now I'll discuss the literature part of set B. Yes beta, set B, question number 25th. Again, my mother at 66, but the after airport security check, standing a few yards away, I looked again at her van pale as a late winter's moon. Complete the sentences with the correct option. The pain of separation has shaded mother's expression. Age has fogged mother's youthful. So option B is the correct answer. Let me discuss the answers. Fine. 25th ka B hai. Yes, 26th is A. How did the poet feel about her action? She's full of regret that she only smiled while departing from her mother. Fine. Why did the poet look at her mother again? Option C, 27th. She wanted to reassure herself about the well-being of her mother. 28, what does the scene at the airport signify? 28th is D, helplessness due to prior engagements. She was so busy in her life that she could not stay with her mother. Fine. Next is he yelled high skinny. Again, D Potter ka extract hai. Question number 29, set B. What do you think of the boy's reaction? Option D, he did not behave properly and such acts should not be encouraged. They are asking, what do you think of the boy's reaction? Your opinion. Fine. What happened to the writer? He nearly drowned and became unconscious. 30th, option C. 31, option B. I was frightened, but not yet frightened out of my wits. The writer was afraid, but still conscious. 32, which sentence brings out the meaning of ducked in context? In this beta, again, we checked it again and again, and you are going to get one benefit was given to set A, one benefit was given to set B. Fine. So in question number 32, if you have marked any option, you will be getting marked. Fine. Kartik is so happy. A, B, C, D. Fine. The spectators ducked for cover. Fine. I need not discuss. All the options seem to be correct here. Then question number 33rd, it is from beta, again, from Lost Spring. Question 33rd. Why did the speaker make a promise? Now, online children, send me feedback. Beta, are you listening? And keep on marking also. ठीक है, क्योंकि बाद में नहीं हमने आंसर करना. We were so busy in so many things. Okay, that's very good. Very good. Plus 2C, and please, it's a request. Be regular in attending the English class. Do not take English casually. Fine. You are going to learn a lot. Most of you will be flying abroad after plus 2. Then you run in the IELTS centers. Fine. I'll try to use new words, new vocabulary so that your vocabulary will be improved. Okay. So please attend. Why did speaker make a promise? She said it impulsively. Fine. Option D. Other options do not apply at all. She never wanted to do something. She was just asking and asking questions, and very casually she was giving answers. So sometimes we say something, but we do not do it. So that is impulsiveness. She said it impulsively. Option D. 34th, option A. Promises like mine, bleak world. There is no dearth of promises which are unfulfilled. Option A is the correct answer. What promise did the speaker make to Sahib? She will build a school. This is very clear. Option C. 36th, what does the word embarrass mean? Embarrass means ashamed. It was also very clear, option C. Then question number 37, why does the poet forbid all of us to speak? To observe silence, to introspect, so that we can introspect ourselves, option C. 38, what does the phrase on the face of earth? Now I'm so shocked that options were on the entire globe is the correct answer. When poet is talking about on the face of the earth and children are marking in front of the earth, outer surface of earth, land area of earth. See, +2 ke bacche, I do not expect this thing from you. Generally poet is saying on the face of the earth means he's talking about every part of the earth, entire globe. Okay, which of the statement is true? 38th ka A hai, fine. 39th, which of the statement is true about exotic moment? Now again this was confusing. It is rare, hota hai, it is very rare and special. It can happen only when we keep quiet. It is very difficult to keep quiet. Last wala to discard hi ho jata hai. 3 and many students they marked it is rare, it is rare, it is rare, or rare and special, but answer is option C. 39th ka C hai. It can happen only when we keep quiet. The most accurate option is C. Choose the incorrect options. Now अब यहाँ पे आपको you have to think again. You have to firstly choose. Statements are given. There are 1 2 3 4 5 statements are given and you have to mark is ये सबको पढ़ो कि कौन सी गलत है. And after reading tick it कि okay this is wrong, this is wrong. And then नीचे options आती हैं A में से 2 3 4 2 3 ऐसे. Many students are not able to solve this. This is as if it's a puzzle only. Fine. So this is the way. Option in question number 40th, option B is correct. ये बहुत बच्चों का गलत हुआ है. Option B. Quiet introspection cannot transform the face of earth. ये wrong है. Poet ने बोला था करो introspection. 4th statement, it takes much time to examine. Poet ने बोला है let's count up to 12. It means less time लगता है, तो ये statement भी गलत हो गया. Then next is one should be active while introspection. No, he's saying that be active, but during the time of introspection, sit and think. And after that again rejuvenate. So statement 2, 4 and 5 जो है वो wrong है. तो हमारा option B is the correct option. 41 का बेटा, why did Abraham lean his head? Same question था both sets में, different number. He was emotionally broken. What is a poetic device in count to 12? This is symbolism because this is symbolic of start the process of introspection. Clear? 43rd is what does the poet compare the children's faces to? It is in the beginning mentioned that like rootless weeds. Okay? So this is the answer, option D. 44, who employs the local families? This was wrong. Many students marked it wrong. They are asking who employs the local families in Firozabad. In the chapter, it is mentioned that glass blowing industry it is famous for. So glass blowing industry, obviously they employ them. Fine. Bureaucrats नहीं देते हैं, politician, merchants, nobody is giving them work. इसमें confusion रहा है बच्चों को, ठीक है? Then question number 45. Why are the people of Firozabad averse to the cooperative movement? Option B. They are scared of people and middlemen. It is also mentioned that middlemen, they beat them, they create such problem for them. So option B is the correct answer. 45th. 46th, again same tha, slyly, cunningly, both sets. Then 47th, what does the poet appeal to the people in power? Option A, to reduce inequality between rich and poor. 48, what imagery does the poet use to describe the obstacles? Catacombs. Option B. Catacomb means an underground cemetery. Option A. What is inaccessible to the poor slum children? The joyful world of nature and learning. This is the answer, 50th ka C. Now let's discuss writing skills, beta. Do we have time? हाउ मेनी मिनट्स सारांश है? हो जाएगा फिर हमारा सेक्शन बी राइटिंग सेट ए. सेंड मी योर फीडबैक ऑनलाइन चिल्ड्रन इफ यू आर लिसनिंग. फिफ्टियथ का ए विच सेट सुखमनजोत? सेट बी. सेट बी. Visits to official places. This is correct, Sukhman, but we have to mark one, the most accurate as in the context, the joyful world, because they have talked about nature and joyful learning, and they are bound in four walls. So this is the correct answer. Only option C is considered. Okay, never mind. Set A. Yes, beta, baate nahi. Writing skills, which I thought you people will be doing easily, but you did not. Isme very easy it was, but you did not apply your brain. You got confused. There was a notice. Karan of class plus 2A has to put up notice. Fine. 15th is misplacement of chemistry notes. I am speaking beta. Question number 15th, set A. Question number 15th. Misplacement of chemistry notes, option B. Lost hota hai, but lost the chemistry notes. Do you think? ऐसे लिखते हो कभी lost the tiffin box? या तो अकेला ऊपर lost होता, then we would have accepted. This is to confuse you people. And ये सबका ही wrong हुआ है. बहुत कम बच्चों का correct है. Because you thought regarding chemistry lectures कभी लिखते हैं? Chemistry notes missing, person missing, pet missing होते हैं, objects missing नहीं होते. Objects में we use the word lost. Clear? अब अपनी गलतियों से सीखो. Set A and B both. Listen carefully, okay? The mistakes which you committed or you committed, both you can listen. Learn from the others' mistakes also. तो set B वाले बच्चे भी सुने. Set A में misplacement of chemistry notes was the correct option. 16th. Now this notice is आप usually कैसे लिखते हो? This is to inform you that I lost my and all. Fine, but they are asking that which target group कौन था इसमें? You, whole staff, all students and staff, the teachers. उसके notes गुम हुए स्कूल में, तो he will ask this students only or to all? Obviously, so the all students and staff. That was the most accurate answer. 16th का C. 17th. Chemistry notes during lunch break, because you tell the time also कि when did you lose the thing. Fine. So 17th का C है, 16th का C, 17th का C, 18 का now plus 2A mentor means monitor. वहां पे था please return them to dash or simply drop them in the plus 2A drop box. It means notes belong to plus 2A only. So वहां पे ऑप्शन थी क्लास मेंटोर. कौन सा क्लास मेंटोर? फिर था क्लास प्लस 2 हेड. विच सेक्शन? स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ क्लास प्लस 2A. किसी को भी दे दो. देन था प्लस 2A मेंटोर. सो दैट वाज द करेक्ट आंसर. यहाँ पे बहुत बच्चों ने गड़बड़ की है. यू लॉस्ट मार्क्स इन राइटिंग स्किल्स. यू हैव टू अप्लाई योर ब्रेन्स. लर्न इट एज अ लेसन, बिकॉज नाउ जो टर्म 1 होना है, दैट इज बोर्ड्स एग्जाम्स. दैट मार्क्स आर गोइंग टू बी एडेड इन फर्दर फाइनल एग्जाम्स. Fine, take it as a lesson. Option C. ठीक है. 18th का option C plus 2A mentor. Now 19th heading is for sale. ये सबका सही था almost, but ये गलत किया बाद में. Plot in Shimla option B. 20th का. 21 का square yard. Fine, option A. ये सब में same आया था. I guess you got also, but we changed the number of sequence and all. Fine. Then 22nd, you are writing a letter to the editor of the Hindu. How will you give suggestions? Now, stringent methods must be taken to restore peace and harmony in the country. Option B. 23rd, which of the following is not the correct tone? Not तो कुछ बच्चे पढ़ते ही नहीं है ना. Not the correct tone for letter. पर्सनल, फॉर्मल, पोलाइट. वैसे पर्सनल टोन भी नहीं होता है, यू नो दैट. व्हेन यू राइट टू लेटर टू एडिटर, it is formal, it is polite, fine, but it is not amusing. Amusing is fun way. You never write a letter to the editor in a very amusing way. Personal can be there, but amusing is never there, fine. So iska answer amusing hai. What should be the proper sequence of idea in an article writing? 10 times we discussed. Even then you people introduce, analyze, suggest, conclude. Option C is the correct answer. Clear? Now let's discuss set B. Writing skills of set B. Jaldi se. Question number 15th. For sale. ये same है. Plot in Shimla. Fine. Option B. Square yards. Bell हो चुकी है पर ये set सुन लो. Offering suggestions to an issue. 18th का C है बेटा. 19th का D, to draw the points together and conclude. 20th का situation wanted था, nobody corrected it. If you are offering your services, you are very much qualified, you are good in art, you want to get a job. किया था ना situation wanted वाला भी, तो वहां पे vacant वाले को option को टिक कर रहे हैं. This is situation wanted बेटा, option A. Then 21 का option B found. 22 option B plastic bag has been found. 23rd option B neighborhood park. 24th option C few documents and some cash. And what about the comprehensions? I will put the key in the notebooks group. Okay, so you can check accordingly. Have a nice day and please attend English classes.